Transformers reviews, tech and the news, whatever else I use as a muse. Hit subscribe, I appreciate the views. Influences interest on YouTube.
What's going on, people? This is Inflewence, and today I got the Realm of Collectors ROCBOX Crashbox Customs collaboration, I guess, but it's their ROCBOX, which it's like random stuff that I don't know. So we're just gonna do an unboxing. Not really a review, but an unboxing. So they Realm of Collectors did a ROCBOX. They do a ROCBOX every year, I believe, but I don't know if they said this was the last or not. 2022. I don't know, but they said this is probably one of the best that they've had. So I supported them. Shout out to the Realm. And this is a nice box. So let's pop it open and see what you're getting. And here you are. First, you got Welcome to Nashville shirt. We got all of what's in the box. Got some spudgers. Some Emilio's Rockin' Axe upgrade for Ollie. Yeah, Ollie. Guitar pick. Lanyard. Laser Bird. And who the hell is Nelson? So, let's see. So here we go. First, we got a little t-shirt with Wheelie on it. Black t-shirt. Always great. It pretty much, I don't even pretty much care what's on there. I wear black t-shirts all the time. Here we have, what is this? Is this a figure? Oh, shoot. I'm going to have to, yeah, we're going to have to bust that open. I think that's a figure. Who the hell is Nielsen? Okay, so I'm going to have to see. So you got the lanyard. Got a little guitar. Got some, I think these are the spudgers in a nice little. Oh, yeah, and little spudgers in a nice little case. Personally, I always need them. Got a few. So I'm gonna put these right over here on my table. One of them anyway. And they're smaller than the one that I have. You got Birds Aren't Real. So this is Laserbeak Lego building set. That's dope. I'm gonna, don't look like any directions. Maybe, oh, the QR code. Scan that thing. So you got some pins. So we got Realm. And we got Realm. And guitar pick. I'm really trying to bust this, looks like a figure open. Okay, so this is like a custom Ollie. I don't even know who Nielsen is. I guess that's the point. I actually like the colors. Got a screwdriver with a new face. Oh, and look at that face. Take it out. This face. I'm going to go over all that. You know, I'm going to do a review on this figure. Pretty dope. I'm assuming it's a custom figure that X-Transbots, probably Keith, helped with them. Because it has Realm on the side of the box. And you got box art, shelf gravy. Yeah, I'm going to check all this out and definitely do a review on this. Nice and good to support who has this figure. It's basically the wheelie figure, but it's in a different deco, and I actually like this deco. I'm gonna get it transformed and see about the robot. But again, all right, I'm out. It's been Inflewence. Peace.
Ain't over, life ain't over, life ain't over, life ain't over. As long as you're alive, you can give another try and take it real high if you want.